The Power of Habit. I finished with this Think Like a Monk, and I'm
Yeah,
also
this is very good book.
yes, yes, and I also adore the way Robin Sharma writes. So I really like to read his book. His Family Wisdom by Robin Sharma. Then I'm also reading this book, Mind Your Mind. Fine. So it is also a good book. So I like to read books.
Oh, which book do you recommend to us that that you have read and that changed your life? Means आपने वो book पढ़ी और that ultimately hit you and that made your life into a different direction, that changed you.
Um, I'll go with this question first, Ritik. There is, see, there are many books we read. Like there are so few people who never read books in life, so I don't think that really matters because sometimes even one instant, one moment also changes people life. So there is no need to book. But yes, I started reading books very late. But then when I started with there are many books, but you need a motivation to read also. So
Yes.
the very first motivating book I read was Seven Effect Waves of. I can't even remember the name. I guess I'm getting nervous or what. By Stephen Covey, there was one book, Seven what Habits of Effective People. That was the first book I read, a motivating first book. उसके पहले मैंने पढ़ा था Twilight and all. That was also I read, but ये वाली बुक जो थी कहीं ना कहीं इससे मुझे लगा कि एक मोटिवेशन मिलता है करके. बट मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि दिस इज द बेस्ट बुक है विच चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंड ऑल. बट फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट द मोटिवेशन टू रीड other books also. Then I read The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. One of the
Soul is
book I
Paratha, yeah.
recently.
That is the best book, means not best, but it is very good book, man. I have
Yeah,
also
yeah,
read
it
that
is.
book.
It is.
It's very
It
good
is.
book.
Then one of the student, there was one very good one student who used to work with me in the when I was used to be in college. He recommended me one book. I don't remember the author and all. Tuesdays with More. It was also one of the very good
Okay,
book for
yeah.
the personal
Good
experience.
book.
Yeah, yeah. And recently now I don't get time. Like I'm very get angry with myself that I'm not getting time to read books. So recently I have put the habit of listening to audiobooks. So Ikigai I was listening to, and that is also a
Ikigai,
very
yeah.
good book. And recently I also listened to mm, Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty.
Things like a
That is
monk.
also audibly available. So nowadays I'm switching to this. So there are so many books which I read. I'm not saying that any one book which changed my life, but yes, there are so many books involved. When you read, you just try to get a different aspect of your life. One of the book was Gratitude by Louis uh, some Louis Way or something. One of the book by him
Okay.
also, that is also very good book which gives you the which explain you the importance of gratitude. So that was also one of the books. So it just depends. When whatever book you read, you just need to understand the point which are mentioned, which is important for giving direction to your life. So there are many books available. I just hope मैंने भी बहुत पहले से रीड नहीं, मुझे पता है कुछ लोग बहुत पहले से रीड करते हैं, बट कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो रीड करना चाहते हैं बट नहीं कर पाते. So for them I need to put my views that after engineering, after doing my job, I created that interest in reading. And of course there are many books. You can start with the whatever interests you, but you should read. It really gives you, जब कुछ नहीं होता है लाइफ में, जब आपको नहीं समझ में आता है, आप बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हो, बुक कोई भी बुक आप उठा के रीड करो, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जरूर होगा जो आपको उस टाइम पे लगेगा कि कितना यूजफुल है आपके लिए, अभी कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है करके. तो इसलिए मेरा बोलना है कि बुक्स आप जरूर रीड करो. और अगर नहीं रीड कर सकते तो आजकल हर चीज ऑडियो बुक्स में अवेलेबल है. गो फॉर ऑडियो बुक्स. Just listen to audio books and that will give you a very vast experience.
Dushyant sir?
The one book that changed me was Basic Electrical Engineering by B.L. Thareja.
Okay.
Wonderful.
No, I was uh, means a voracious reader. I have been into reading books from my very young age, and the one book that I'll recommend is this, The Power of Habit. Fine, it's
Habits,
really
yeah.
a nice book. I think most relevant for all of us. This I am reading now, The Power of Habit. I have finished with this Think Like a Monk, and I'm
Yeah,
also
yeah, this is very good book.
yes, yes. And I also adore the way Robin Sharma writes. So I really like to read his book, is Family Wisdom by Robin Sharma. Then I'm also reading this book, Mind Your Mind. Fine. So it is also a good book. So I like to read books. And in Paloti, for 6 years, 6 long years, I was the department library coordinator. So
Okay.
most of the books that you see, you can blame me for that. Fine, if the books that you want are there or not. But I like to read.
Okay.
So you must read The Power of Habit. It's really a very good book.
Okay. Definitely, sir. Sachin sir?
Yeah, reading is a very good habit, I know, but I'm not fond of reading as much. Means Dushan sir has shown me so many books. I'm amazed, but really I'm thinking now कि अब मुझे भी बुक्स पढ़ने चाहिए. लेकिन मैं कभी पढ़ता था तो मैं जनरली ह्यूमरस बुक्स पढ़ता था. मैं मोटिवेशनल बुक्स वगैरह नेवर रीड मोटिवेशनल बुक्स एंड ऑल. I used to read humorous books like P.L. Deshpande, Marathi author, famous author.
Yeah.
और ही इज द पर्सन हु डेवलप ह्यूमर इन मी. आज मैं मेरा जो भी कुछ ह्यूमर है मुझ में, सो ऑल क्रेडिट गोस टू पीएल देशपांडे. उनकी बुक्स पढ़ के मैंने उनके बहुत सारे बुक्स पढ़े मैंने. वेरियस बुक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. सो वहां से वो पढ़ के जो है ह्यूमर डेवलप हुआ है मुझ में, एंड दैट ह्यूमर इज वर्किंग नाउ. तो मैं क्लास में वही मेरा जो ह्यूमर है वही काम में आता है. बट एज फार एज मोटिवेशनल बुक इज कंसर्न, तो मैं जब आई वाज इन रायसोनी एज अ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, one professor suggested me one book that is As a Man Thinketh. So you might have, it's a very small book. He suggested and forced me, please go and read that book. That PDF is also available on the net. Okay, soft copy is also available. So the meaning of that book is like whatever we think, that thinking makes our future. So always think good, means not good, positively. Okay, so because our thinking, if we think negative things will happen in our future. So it is like that. So many years back I read that particular book, As a Man Thinketh. So that was the book, only book, motivational book that I can name here. बट अभी मुझे दुष्यंत सर ने से काफी प्रेरणा मिली. उन्होंने मुझे दिखाए वो बुक्स, तो सही में अभी मैं सही में
You can borrow, sir. We can borrow. Dushyant sir will bring all the books and we
बिल्कुल
will
बिल्कुल
borrow the books from him.
बिल्कुल.
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
और मैं एक बात ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि मैं जब छोटा था तो मैं चाचा चौधरी की किताबें बहुत पढ़ता
Really?
था.
That is the
I was
best,
so
best one.
big fan of Chacha Chaudhary. I used to
Chaudhary.
चाचा
all
चौधरी
Chacha
आज भी
Chaudhary.
आज भी मुझे पता है.
चाचा
चाचा
चौधरी
चौधरी
का
और
दिमाग
राका का
कंप्यूटर से भी
इंतकाम,
तेज
चाचा
चलता था.
चौधरी और साबू का इंतकाम, और ये सब आज भी हमारे दिमाग में दैट इज
And you
स्टिल
know what?
देयर.
All those books are available online also nowadays.
Yeah.
Like I have seen all the PDFs of Chacha Chaudhary comics.
या
Yes.
One more book I forgot to name is the Secret. The Secret is one of the book also I read. Very like it has been years now, but yes, it also influenced me. Not like everything you just think of it and you will get it, but few things I believe. Like if you think positive and you will, if you want something very desperately, obviously the message is given to universe and accordingly you get. Power is cut. I guess Sachin sir के घर का ही power है, मेरे घर का power. Okay.
And the same content is there in the book Power of Subconscious Mind, I think.
Yeah, correct. It's there.
yeah, I also heard about that book. Yeah, Power of Subconscious Mind. Yeah.
So that gives you the positiveness. The secret though is the book
Positiveness.
gives you positivity to think whatever you think, of course, you can achieve. That confidence should be there in you, and that book gives you that confidence.